how you're doing? Okay, let me show you in this short video how to add your design to a flat image using Photopea. Okay, so first of all, we're going to open our image. You can just buy an image from my Etsy shop, or if you have one already, you can use it too, of course. Okay, so here we have the blanket image, and we're going to add right now the design file. So I have this one, it's like a sample. We're going to drag and drop the JPG image over the blanket. We're going to resize it. You can hold your shift key while you do it, so you won't lose like the proportion of the design. Okay, so you can place it there and click outside it, or just hit the enter key. Okay, so once you have your layer there, okay, here this one is our layer, the design layer, and we're going to change the blending mode to multiply. Okay, so and here you get it. Okay, so then we hit off the layer and you can still move it using your arrow keys on your keyboard. Okay, so just add, just place the design wherever you want, and once you have your design ready, you can go here and export as a PNG or a JPG image, and there you get it. Okay, so now you are ready to start selling your products online using these flat images. So let me know if you have any questions, or if you need any special image, you can send me a message through the Etsy shop or to my email. Okay, bye.